What's up everyone, it's Lars Wolf, and yep, that's the multi-purpose racing Nissan Juke sitting next to me, and welcome to the first technical thing on that list that I mentioned in the previous video, and that is mounting of the Mishimoto front mount intercooler on the multi-purpose racer. And as you can see, it's basically all done. I got started on this last night, and it actually went together a whole lot quicker than I thought because I just got started and did some CAD. And fit it up there, and it fit pretty good. So then I took it off back down today, and I did some grindy. And then I did some weldy. And then did some fitment. And everything fit pretty good. So I decided to keep on rolling and just get it done. So yeah, the barn plate design of the Mishimoto intercooler is pretty standard for the industry nowadays. They supply 6 mounting points that are welded straight to the core that are not my style. That's why I did the brackets here. The only thing that I'm kind of questioning is all the couplings that I have on this side, but that is because being a grassroots racer, I have to make do with what I got. And this is the old core that we have. It's a little thicker than this one, but it's approximately the same dimensions. And I have to be able to, basically, I don't have the money to buy 2 of these things, so I have to kind of make what I have work with what I got. And if this thing, it takes a hit in one of the stage rallies or one of the races or whatever we're doing, I got to be able to switch it out with what I got going on. So that's kind of the reason I built these brackets, was so these 2 different intercoolers can fit on the exact same system. So I like how it turned out. I don't think it turned out too bad. We're going to be taking the car up now. We're going to get the front bumper on and take the car up to Portland Speed Industries, where we're going to flog the hell out of it trying to get the car tuned and really give this thing a test on how well it can cool the air charge coming from the Garrett GTX 2860R we're using on the Multi-Purpose Racer 2.0, and really give you guys some data on how this thing performs. So I'll have some more updates coming up in early March on that, so stay tuned for those. Thank you to the guys at Mishimoto for getting us the core so quickly. We were able to get it on the car, and now we're able to get the car tuned, so that's perfect. So thank you so much, guys. Otherwise, got any questions, hit me up in the comments below. I'll do what I can to answer them. As always, everyone, like, follow, share, subscribe. It helps me out tremendously. And we'll see you guys at the racetrack. Take care.